When your garage door fails, you need a solution fast. That's where Stapley Action Garage Door comes in. With over a decade of trusted service in Mesa, they're the name everyone relies on. Whether it's a late-night emergency or a simple tune-up, they deliver quick, fair, and flawless repairs. From broken springs to full replacements, they get it done right the first time. Their 5-star reviews speak for themselves. When it comes to garage doors, Mesa knows it better be Stapley Action. Call today and see why they're the #1 choice in town.